We are in this gorgeous model today, which is completely decked out and has a gorgeous view. I'm so excited to show you. The builder for this model is Arthur Rutenberg. So let me just get you inside real quick, show you around, and then we'll go on a tour. Come on in. So right as you walk in, look at this view. You can't beat it. I'm so excited to show you the rest of the house. Let's get going.
Hey everyone, where can you get this indoor-outdoor living space for under $2 million? Take a look at this. Look at the view outside and what you're receiving. This is an exclusive luxury area and you definitely want to come and take a look at it. We're out here on your own private dock that comes with this home, beach chair included.
We hope you enjoyed all the cool, sexy features that are in this house. We were so excited to show it to you. So if you have any questions, give us a call. We are more than happy to come back out here. Bye, guys.
Bye.